Here's the package of CM022 carbon monoxide alarm. It's the new model released in 2024 with BSI EN502911 2018 standard approved. Please check the open box, which includes screws, CM022 itself, and a user manual. Taking off the back cover, you can see CM022 is powered by DC 3V alkaline battery, two 1.5-watt AA. Also, it has high-quality electromechanical sensor inside, and the lifespan can be over 10 years. Now, let's make a self-test. It has 3 LED lights showing green for normal, yellow for fault, and red for alarming respectively.